Ifemelu Governor Soludo Jezuzu. I don't know whether they find a way to hypnotize the people not to think well. Ifemelu Governor Soludo Jezuzu is because all of his Izuzu is not leading to riot. It's not disrupting things for him. He is still earning. Governor Soludo, how much comes into Anambra government purse every day, and what is it used for? It is high time these governors are held accountable because they are servants. In as much as they are posing to be what they are not, they are public servants and they have salary attached to their name. It is quite unfortunate that in Adiana, church. I am not saying this because of mmiri. I don't like mmiri. He's not my favorite person, but this is pure religious intolerance. All right? And then, as a Dibia in office, anybody that told you to invoke mmiri should go and invoke Jesus for you to see. You just tell the person, how could you, as a native doctor in office, go and begin to Kwambelemba? I want to tell you something. I am relocating to Anambra State, yes. I am, as the ghost of our land, please, okay? I am going to be in Anambra State, but I don't know how long I will be there. If they arrest me, take my word today, I will never apologize. I will say, buy me. Buy me because Nifem Nemebo another religion. Will that buy you? No. Will that buy you? No! All of that intimidation is just mago-mago. Because they know that if you drop dead, the narrative will change. So if you are a native doctor and they arrest you, do not let them intimidate you anymore. You stand your ground. That you are practicing, your only crime is practicing a different religion. If this hooligan sinner want to follow Nogo, put a camera on your face, say that your crime is because you are not a Christian. Anambra is a Christian state or Muslim state. And that is your crime. That your crime is because you are not a Christian. Do you understand? For whatever you believe in, you should be able to die. You begin to shout on camera. This is intimidation. This is what? Intimidation. Should in case those that are sent you and they will target you, if you catch me, I have mouths. I will never, ever, ever, ever be sorry. I would rather go to jail or be bite. Of course, none of this would happen because affliction cannot arise against me the second time. Man, I'm able to look at the people who are humiliating you, who are wronging you, to look them in their poor miserable faces because there is a one bar sitting on the chair and be sorry. I can never ever in my life. That cannot be me. We are not like that. We are not. We are not. We rather go to court with Soludo and win him in his own court. How evil can he be? How evil can he be? You didn't ask Paul to invoke Jesus Christ for you to see. Governor Soludo, have you ever seen Jesus Christ? And I fear and unlucky and I fear and ife. But you do this to a traditionalist. And then your boys are parading around with it. That's the more going and sin or the lumber. What are you doing? Who are your targets? It is maybe right to believe that it is not DBS that you are arresting because when you really arrest DBS, when you arrest DBS, you arrest people and you begin to put camera. And the moment I fly, what was that bullshit you are doing? You were arrested the first time. Why did you come to deny it? Why did you open camera? You just let it go. You just let it go. You let it go. Governor Soludo, I maintain. Kedo go with you, governor. Nadia Baka, governor. Let us at this point stop fooling each other. Governor. It does not come from hard working, It does not come from. It did not come from Jesus Christ. All right. So many people will be fair portal, Kazo councillor, about her to her. Kazo senator, about her to her. So Governor Soludo, how did you make it that far? Ebo na Soludo wa mbafa, blozo wa mbafa. Nebo say, Nwa James St. John. How did you become a governor in Igbo land? Was it through free and fair election? Because I know that majority of the people did not vote you. Governor Soludo, we know that works. So we can below. Did they engage then the governors? Ha? Kwego na Bata State ni FGM. Did they get arrest local government chairman? Arrest their governor. The day the people will rise against the government is coming. And I pity the government in charge of that time. One day, this government, these people, these morons who now paraded themselves with different madana, one day they will be held accountable. Somebody will be using your resources. Obulo ordinary insecurity. This brain here is enough to stop insecurity. I am enough to draw a map that would stop insecurity. But guess what? Who is benefiting from this insecurity? Do you people want insecurity to stop? The money coming into the state, is it not enough to mount camera in everywhere, in every bush? Is it not enough to end insecurity once and for all? Is it not enough to minimize the use of gun, the use of ammunition? Who is really benefiting from the insecurity? Who? Is you see that they have been talking about in the new generation. Governor Soludo, you don't have nothing to offer this generation. You don't have anything to still offer next generation. Arrest the game, and don't expect me. I'm relocated to Aoka under your jurisdiction. You send your boys only when they see me, and when they finally see me, it is caught. Every single wickedness in the Christian, you are doing it to the tribe because you feel that there are few, that they are on the minority. I want to tell you something. Oweberu dibia may arrest. Oweberu dibia may arrest, okay? All force people be arrest the one particular native doctor. Why you? Osi that man no bo bale agbaje. That man oba we fugidia. Omo abife step in. Governor Soludo Obeberu dibia may arrest. All those women no fear you in a parade in the uche. Is they fuzzy? Hey, they want to eat, they feed from it. Before Udoga Chikadifa, what was the occupation? More touts, some hooligans. Indiana better. Oh, how a bife gata for FIFA ni Zuzu. Mbosu no puru dibia malo. Do you understand? Mbosu no puru dibia malo. And then Oburu ni on a dibia, ni on Anambra State, you go and be part of a dibia's body, dibia's community. All right? And to the general masses, this is what I want to say. I ain't nothing wrong with going for riot. When your government is eating your money and you are dying in poverty and he's suffocating you and you're paying a lot of tax and he's feeding himself and sponsoring his children outside because he cannot build common school. When billions comes into the state, billions of money. When billions of money comes into the state, allocation on this money, they sit down there. Every single person you elect that person to come and ruin your life. Every single person you elect that person to come and destroy your future. Children are not the future of tomorrow because the old retards refuse to leave the seat. Governor Soludo, why is he a governor? Can't brain no way this generation. Of course, the governor should be nothing more than 30, nothing more than 25. Someone that would understand the people. Not all of these retards. Governor Soludo, who voted for you, head me and arrest me and what? And expect my apology. No, I am a man like you. What are they saying? Bullshit.